Embarking on excitement. Understanding, off on an adventure. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that captures the spirit of exploration and excitement. Off on an adventure. We'll break down what it means, how to use it, and share some examples to help you incorporate it into your everyday English. So, if you're ready for a little adventure of your own through the English language, let's get started. When we say someone is off on an adventure, we're talking about them embarking on a journey that is exciting, unusual, or daring. This phrase conjures images of exploration, discovery, and stepping out of one's comfort zone. It's not just any trip or outing, it's an experience that promises new insights, challenges, and perhaps a bit of the unknown. The word off, in this context, signals the beginning of the journey, while adventure emphasizes the thrilling and exploratory nature of the endeavor. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from literal journeys to metaphorical ones. Here's how you can incorporate it into your communication. Describing plans. Use it when talking about your own or someone else's upcoming trips that promise excitement. For example, I'm off on an adventure to the Amazon rainforest next month. Narrating stories. It's great for storytelling, especially when recounting memorable and adventurous experiences. That summer, we were off on an adventure across Europe, exploring ancient ruins and vibrant cities. Encouraging exploration. Encourage others to try new experiences. Why not go off on an adventure this weekend? There's so much to see and do. To help you better understand how to use off on an adventure, here are some examples in sentences. Personal plans. After graduation, I decided I was off on an adventure, backpacking across Asia to discover new cultures and landscapes. Describing someone else. My sister is off on an adventure in New Zealand, where she's bungee jumping and hiking glaciers. Metaphorical use. Starting your own business is like being off on an adventure, filled with risks and rewards. And there you have it, folks. Understanding and using the phrase, off on an adventure, can add a layer of excitement and anticipation to your conversations. It's a wonderful way to express the joy of exploring the unknown, whether it's through travel, trying new activities, or embarking on life-changing journeys. We hope this video inspires you to seek out your own adventures and share them with the world. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next adventure through the English language.